XGIMI is making waves in the projector world, and it's easy to see why. They've been at it for a while, crafting projectors with some seriously cool software upgrades built right on top of Google TV. That combo makes them a standout choice for entertainment lovers. Now they're rolling out a lineup of projectors to suit all kinds of budgets, and this one right here is one of them. This is the XGIMI MoGo Free Pro. The Free Pro is here with a fresh new design that makes setting it up a total breeze. The built-in stand comes in super handy and really lets you adjust the projection angle to anywhere, to be honest. Plus, it's one of the brightest portable projectors you can snag right now, and the image quality, well, that's just top-notch. For sound, you're covered with detailed audio thanks to dual 5-watt drivers. And here's the game changer, Netflix comes pre-installed right out of the box, actually a first for XGIMI projectors. So is the MoGo Free Pro the portable projector you should be eyeing? So the burning question is this product truly worth the asking price? Well, let's first start by unboxing it. Unboxing the MoGo Free Pro really is a treat. It's got that premium vibe. Plus, there are some cool optional accessories to enhance your setup. You can grab yourself a felt-lined synthetic leather carrying case for extra protection. The case is really nice and certainly recommended if you plan to take this on the go with you. Not only does it look sleek, but the felt-lined interior is awesome for keeping your projector safe from scratches or accidental bumps. For longevity, I certainly recommend getting this. The bundle also offers a clip-on lens accessory, which is designed to enhance the projector's versatility by expanding the display size and offering a larger curved output. However, while it sounds intriguing, we will need to talk a little more about this later. The real standout in the MoGo Free Pro bundle is the sturdy tripod stand, a game changer for portable projection setups. Unlike anything else I've seen in this space, the tripod stand offers incredible versatility, especially if you plan to use your projector in different locations. It allows for easy adjustments without the need for a flat surface, so you can get your perfect projection angle anywhere. Not only that, but the MoGo Free Pro stand comes with a built-in 65-watt 20,000 mAh battery, which is great for using this without a plug. The battery gives you about 2.5 hours of viewing, which isn't amazing, but also not terrible. One thing to keep in mind is that when you're running the projector off the battery, the image brightness is noticeably lower. If you want to get the best picture quality, you'll need to plug it into a power outlet. It's a bit annoying since this is supposed to be a super portable setup, but it's not a deal breaker. Now let's take a quick look at the design before diving into setup, because it's certainly unique. This projector represents a fundamental reimagining of what a portable option should be. There really is no doubt about that. Its sleek cylindrical chassis adds a little touch of elegance, and it does help with enhancing overall portability. It feels like a very premium unit in the hand. Now, if you don't want to use the long battery stand, you can simply use the built-in one. This one still allows for you to pivot it by 130 degrees on a surface. This really makes adjusting the image even more effortless, whether you're setting it up on a table, the floor, or even on that tripod stand. In terms of setting this up anywhere, XGIMI have done a fantastic job at providing more than one option. The design is divided into two parts. The base houses the dual 5-watt audio drivers, while the projection hardware, ports, and active cooling sit on the top. So certainly very different from anything else on the market currently. The MoGo Free Pro keeps things simple with its connectivity options thanks to its integrated design. You won't find an overwhelming number of ports, but it does have a micro HDMI and a USB-A port on the side, good enough for connecting a few external devices. However, let's be honest, you probably won't need to hook up any external gadgets since the projector has Android's onboard operating system already. The Free Pro packs a punch with hardware that's pretty similar to the Halo Plus, so you know it's going to perform well. It runs on a quad-core ARM Cortex-A53 processor that can reach up to 1.3 GHz, paired with 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of storage. This setup makes it run pretty smoothly for things like streaming and casual apps. Now let's go through setup quickly, as XGIMI really have done a great job at making this user-friendly for everyone. Like other XGIMI projectors, the MoGo Free Pro comes with auto keystone correction and autofocus, making it super easy to use. No matter how often you move or change the projector's angle, the keystone correction adjusts the image in just a few seconds, so you don't have to worry about tweaking the settings. It pretty much does everything for you. There is room for manual adjustments like 4-point keystoning and manual focusing, but from my experience, the auto options do a smashing job. Now, the unit is a DLP projector that uses an LED light source, delivering up to a 1080p resolution. It can reach 450 lumens, which is 50 lumens brighter than its predecessor. This increase is noticeable, especially in terms of brightness and color vibrancy, making it a significant step up from previous models. While it's not quite as bright as the likes of the Horizon Pro, it still holds its ground among other portable projectors, making it a great option for most casual viewing situations. The Free Pro's 450 ANSI lumens provides solid brightness for both indoor and outdoor use, especially when used at night. When watching inside, you can definitely enjoy the screen, though if you don't have blackout curtains, you'll lose some detail. I will be honest, the image quality really is dependent on little to no light pollution. Due to the small lumen count, any light source can really destroy the overall image to completely unwatchable. Despite this, honestly, the image quality on the MoGo 3 Pro is pretty solid. The picture is sharp and rich in contrast, and HDR10 content looks great even if the brightness isn't cranked up all the way. The fan noise is pretty minimal, and typical DLP artifacts like the screen door effect and color wheel effect are kept under control. XGIMI does a great job with the optics even on this more affordable model, so you get sharp focus and solid image quality all the way from corner to corner, something you'd expect from higher end models like the Horizon Pro. Gaming on the 3 Pro is a fairly fun experience, especially considering its portability. While it's not designed to handle super high-end fast-paced games like some dedicated gaming setups, it does well with casual and mobile games. The 1080p resolution and good color reproduction offer a solid gaming experience for less demanding titles. While it doesn't have the most powerful hardware, the Google TV interface makes everything run smoothly. As mentioned, it has a 1080p native resolution, so you won't get 4K streaming, but it still gives you fast access to apps, and you can customize the remote buttons to fit your needs. Most apps will set up automatically through your Google account, but if not, the App Store is right there for easy manual installation. It's a pretty hassle-free experience overall. The projector features a standard Google TV interface with one major perk: Netflix is pre-installed. This is a big win, as XGIMI finally secured a Netflix license, eliminating the need for workarounds, and because it runs natively, it runs much smoother. While the interface is functional, it's sometimes not the smoothest. Despite this, once you start streaming, there's no noticeable lag, and performance is on par with other portable projectors in this category. Believe it or not, the MoGo 3 Pro is super versatile with 3 different uses. First, it's a great movie projector. It also doubles as a speaker, filling the room with clear, loud sound. And for something a bit more creative, you can grab the Creative Optical Filter. This filter lets you create cool visuals like a roller coaster ride or relaxing meditative scenes. This filter requires minimal setup with a snap-type design and simple mounting process. It basically works by blurring the edges and distorting it slightly. Honestly, while the filter offers an interesting way to add immersive visuals to your setup, the clip-on lens doesn't really live up to expectations, especially in terms of image quality. It's okay for a little fun here and there, but as a fundamental reason for buying the projector, I would probably advise against it. The Harman Kardon speakers on the MoGo 3 Pro deliver impressive volume without distortion, making the projector a solid speaker as well. However, the bass isn't as strong as in other XGIMI models, and Apple Music integration is limited. Take a listen for yourself.
We gotta do something, R2.
Now, all in all, the MoGo 3 Pro offers great value at its price point, balancing brightness and colour accuracy well. It serves as both a home and outdoor projector with added features like creative visuals and a pretty solid portable speaker. While high-end models might be the go-to for some, the 3 Pro offers a pretty versatile and fun experience. It's definitely worth considering in this year's lineup of options. And with that all said, be sure to check this product out in the link in the description. Let me know what you think. Till next time.